Still on the block with the goon niggas. Middle finger up for the fucking niggas. My team intact, they ain't touching niggas. And all these bitches claiming that they love you, nigga. Fuck the hype, I got it. My city sick.
Ninth grade quarterback, Washington High. Ninth grade. When you in the trap, all these rules reply. Listen, nigga. Keep it in your lap, not to the side. Yeah, and that's successful.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Samantha M, your island girl, your crusty Sam, and today we have this beautiful hair from WowAfrican Wigs. Let me tell you something, I'm super impressed by this wig. This wig came with an elastic band already, you guys, and it has the clips. So basically, like, you know how like when you have your bra and whatever, the thing. Oh ho ho. Oh wow. Hold on, let me just roll this up a little bit. Okay. Wow. Whoa, you guys. Y'all see this? I know you see it. But wow, hold on. Oh ho ho. It's so nice. And look, I didn't oh my god. That's really good. Look at you guys. I didn't even I didn't put no foundation or nothing in it. And it looks amazing. Wow. This is beautiful. So since this hair came with an elastic band, I'm going to try and do the elastic band method. So I'm not even gonna glue this hair down. I'm gonna see what it does on its own. Also, this is 360. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Look how good that looks. Just going in on that hairline. Remember, this is a 360 wig, so there's lace in the back, which is always amazing. It looks amazing. This is just my wig cap underneath of it. Imagine if you just put a little bit more powder or foundation. Perfect. It's definitely starting to get wavy. Look how beautiful. This is like the best vacation hair. I feel as though like if you're going on vacation, you're gonna get that nice tropical like vibe going on. This is the hair for you. I'm very impressed with this hair. I did not have to glue this hair down. The only thing I did was like I kind of like put, you know, got to be on the baby hairs, which I didn't really even have to do. Like I was gonna just do like, you can do like hair foam, whatever you want to call it and whatnot, but like this is amazing. I'm super impressed by this wig. Like I've been wearing this wig for a couple of days now, and I've been getting like back-to-back compliments and whatnot. And look at that. I'm gonna just give you guys, and I believe it's like 180 density, and I believe it's 1 second, I know, let me get the paper. It comes with about 3 combs, so 2 on the side, 1 on the back. This wig's not going anywhere. Like, it's just not going nowhere. It's really nice and fluffy. Like, that's why I really like this hair. Look at that. I didn't even have, I just put powder in my wig cap, and that's it. African got your back. And that's just on period, poo. See? I'm like obsessed with this hair. Like, I really am obsessed with this hair. Like, you guys have no idea how obsessed I am. Like, this is one of the best hairs I've ever had. I know I said that in my last video about my curly wig, but this right here, this is like the perfect wig for the summer. It's super lightweight. You can wet it. When you get hot, just wet your hair with some cold water. Honey, it don't get no better than this. But yeah, definitely check out WowAfrican Wigs. If you guys like this hair.
Cut it, hit, re-up. Cut it, bitch. Cut it, mix. I'm a linen sphinx. He want. I'm a kick it. I'ma come, he know.